It's almost blue?
See?
Oh, wow. And what does blue water give you?
Gas.
Gas?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want gas.
Sissy, pass me it. Sissy,
Okay,
pass me the mixer.
so you're going to lose your shampoo in the water.
Got it.
Okay, so what are you making?
Mac and cheese for you.
Mac and cheese for me?
Yeah, and I'm making water for you.
Wow, wow. It seems like quite a process. So,
Yeah.
who's the chef?
And the chef.
Son is the chef. And Isa, are you the sous chef?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
I'm the water chef and Sissy's the mac and cheese.
Oh, looks like the noodles are almost ready.
Chef.
The what chef?
Fry chef.
Oh, the fry chef. Who's the fry chef?
Senna.
Oh, I see. You look like you're really frying over there. What are you frying? French fries?
I'm making French fries first.
French fries first?
Yeah, because it's real.
Okay. What do the French fries have on them?
Mayo.
Yellow? Mmm.
Black.
Black too?
What's ingredients to make French fries?
That's a good question. What do you think?
What do you think makes French fries?
Coconut.
Very,
No.
very good
No.
guess. Maybe potatoes?
Do they seem like do potatoes seem like it's a good?
Sissy, can I have that?
That looks like really good mac and cheese.
But it got
Hey, there's this big white spoon right here. That's a good mixer. Right there, Isana, at your feet. There's a mixer.